Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can change Binance email address. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can change email address on Binance. Make sure to stick with us till the end and also follow the instruction as guided. So you'll not be able to do this procedure using your mobile application. So to do so, open up your web browser and then on the search box, type in the link that is www.binance.com and also make sure to log in into your account. So once you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So what you need to do is once you're on this page, you need to click on your profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. After that, scroll down a bit and from the menu page, click on security. On the other page, you'll be taken to the info page, and on this page, you need to scroll down a bit, and right in between, you'll be able to find email. So to change your email, click on manage options right in the corner. Now to change your email address, click on this pencil icon located right in the corner. And once again, there will be a confirmation. So go through all of these information. And if you're sure about changing your email address, then click on the continue button. Now you need to verify it. First of all, you need to verify your identity. For that, click on get code. So then a verification code will be sent to a registered email. Now open up your email and then enter in the verification code right over here. Now you need to enter in the new email address that you want to replace with. So quickly type in your email address and click on get code. Now verification code will be sent to this particular email address. Now open up your email and then check for the verification code. And as you can see that I've received a verification code. Now you'll need to copy this code and then paste it on the other page. Now click on the submit button if you're sure about it. And once again, you'll need to log in. So click on the login button, and on the login credentials, you need to enter in your newly changed email address. And once you've done this, click on the next button. On the other page, enter in your password, and then you'll successfully log in into your account. In this way, you can change your email address. So in this way, you can change your email address on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.